Using the lesson's psychoanalytic theory, circle or highlight the correct defense mechanism being described for each scenario. Number 1, after a long, stressful day at work, Serena yells at her 2 children when she gets home for not cleaning up their rooms. A, displacement. B, regression. C, denial. Number 2, after Dolores rejected him, Philip told his friends that he did not think she was that attractive or interesting and that he wasn't that crazy about her. A, projection. B, denial. C, sublimation. Number 3, George's new boss is very difficult and hard to work with. Instead of yelling and screaming, George works out at the gym every day after work. A, denial. B, regression. C, sublimation. Number 4, Emily is very lazy and waits until the last minute to complete her to-do list for the weekend. She yells at her husband when he does not take the trash out and says he is procrastinating again. A, projection. B, denial. C, reaction formation. And number 5, Michael spends a lot of his money on fancy clothes, sports cars, and expensive entertainment items. When he goes bankrupt, he blames the high price of items for his problems. A, regression. B, rationalization. C, displacement.